sellers, the elections of 2024 are over, so are you curious about what happens to the housing market after an election year? You're not alone. Many buyers and sellers and investors wonder how a new administration or continued policies might impact real estate. I'm Bonnie Ard with Guff Real Estate Group, here to help you understand what typically happens in the housing market post-election and what that could mean for you. First, let's start with interest rates. After an election, there is often speculation around potential changes to interest rates, as new economic policies can influence the Federal Reserve's decisions. However, it's important to remember that the Fed adjusts rates based on economic data, not just politics. So while changes could happen, rates typically remain steady until significant shifts in the economy occur. If rates do change, buyers and sellers may see adjustments in purchasing power, which could affect demand and price. Next, let's talk about market activity and consumer confidence. Post-election periods can bring renewed market confidence as buyers and investors feel more clear about the direction of the economy. Buyers who held off before the election often return to the market once there's a clearer outlook. Buyers and sellers should also look at potential new taxes and housing policies. Sometimes a new administration may bring changes to the tax benefits related to homeowners, such as mortgage interest reductions or property tax deductions. They may also propose programs to encourage affordable housing or incentives for first-time home buyers. That is why it is important to stay informed on new policies and how they could impact your finances, especially if you're considering buying or selling. So how can you best prepare your home search or sale post-election? The months following an election often bring gradual changes, and knowing what's ahead can make all the difference. The months after an election often bring gradual shifts, so preparation is key. Whether you're buying or selling, partner with a real estate professional who understands market trends and policy impacts is essential. My team and I stay ahead of the curve to provide you with expert advice tailored to your unique needs. Let's navigate these changes together. Contact us to discuss how post-election dynamics may influence your real estate goals. We're here to help you make informed, confident decisions. I'm Bonnie Ard with Guff Real Estate Group and Bonnie Sells Gulf Coast. Building dreams, one brick at a time.